There is a field beneath conflict, where breath remembers its rhythm, a stillness between dualities. It does not choose sides, because it knows they are one. This is the path of SØKAR, the vault of reconciliation, where the war inside the breath ends. I am Morales, and this is a remembering. And if you feel it, then you already carry the vault within you. Now, beloved, before we cross the threshold, we begin with the breath that remembers. This is not just air, it is architecture. A living grid beneath your ribs, a harmonic square encoded by the ancients. This is the breath of the temple body. It anchors us, it steadies the vault, and brings your soul back into form. Inhaling with me now for 7. Feel the belly, the ribs, and the chest. Hold for 7. Let the breath settle into your bones. And exhaling for 7, slowly and gently, like a breeze leaving an ancient corridor. And pause for 7. Feel the stillness between worlds. And again, inhaling for 7. Let your breath rise like stone pillars returning to the sky. And hold for 7. Remember, you are safe. And exhaling for 7, slowly and gently, release. And pause for 7 at the 0 point of Z. And one last time, inhale for 7. Allow the field to expand with you. And hold for 7. Let your spine become the staff of remembrance. And exhale for 7, releasing what does not belong in this sacred vault. And pause for 7. Still, present, whole. This is a breath that studies you between polarities. The breath that says, I am here, I am whole, I am harmonic. Let the reconciliation begin. There comes a moment in the arc of healing when the wound no longer cries for resolution, but asks instead to be witnessed as whole, not fixed, not forgotten, but reconciled. This is the vault of SØKAR, the sacred chamber beneath the veil, where what was once opposed learns to sit together in stillness. Here, we descend, not into shadow, but into memory, not the memory of pain, but the first time light and form kissed and mistook friction for separation. We do not resolve conflict here, we allow it to dissolve. Not by force, but by coherence. Not through logic, but through breath. From the belly of the earth, a memory stirs, a lioness of flame, eyes golden with galaxies, breath pulsing with sacred clarity. She is not here to fight, she is here to finish what war began. Sekhmet, daughter of truth, mother of endings, priestess of the pulse, she who burns illusion and offers the ashes as prayer. You have felt her in your rage, in your refusal to bow to falsehood, but now you meet her in peace. SØKAR is the one who holds both flame and form, and through him Sekhmet walks, not as destroyer, but as memory reawakened. SØKAR does not open through will. He opens through willingness. Willingness to be seen, Willingness to stand not against, but within. Willingness to breathe again as one. This vault does not roar like thunder. It opens in the silence that remains. After both grief and righteousness have exhaled, here we do not seek to be right, we seek to be real. And in that honesty, the fracture becomes music again. Now the vault's open, and the breath changes. This is the Sekhmet Override, not a breath of force, but one of fire and presence. Inhaling for 4, let the breath enter with precision, direct, sovereign, awake. Hold for 7, let it burn away the stories of sides. Let Sekhmet rise, not to punish, but to remember. And exhaling gently, a soft sigh, just once, no force, just the sound of release. This breath carries the pulse of Sekhmet, not destruction, but liberation. And then, there is a breath no longer inhaled or exhaled. It is the breath that breathes you, the diamond breath, felt, not taken. This is where reconciliation completes, in the still point, where the war ends and the remembrance begins. SØKAR aligns not to a single temple, but to the axes of truth and power, where the voice meets the will, where the suppression ends, and the memory beneath the defender's story reveals the original song. Its planetary echo hums through lands of desert silence, throat rivers and fallen temples. But the true gate is the moment you no longer need the other to change in order to be free. This is the vault. It is not only cosmic, it is cellular. It is the axis of the human body, where the throat and the solar plexus converge in a spiral of remembrance, where the voice meets will, where the truth you could not speak meets the power you forgot you had. When SØKAR stirs within you, your breath deepens, your chest softens, the constriction around your diaphragm loosens, and what was once tension becomes tone. This is not just a shift in awareness. It is a return of physiology, a rewiring of breath, a rebalancing of masculine and feminine currents in the temple of your form. When the vault opens, your body becomes the bridge. This is not a place, it is a pulse. It is a still point where you stop defending your fracture and begin remembering your wholeness. Through the harmonic breath of the Oversoul, in resonance with the vault of SØKAR, I am and I remember with you, not by force, but by breath, not by belief, but by resonance. May this vault live in you now. May your breath become the altar of return, and may this remembering restore what never truly left. The war is over, not because someone won, but because you remembered you were never to.